breast implants. Did you have them or not? Because that's all over the internet about you in mainstream media.
You all saw the famous photo from the weekend of Hillary looking so haggard and looking like 92 years old.
What it looks like to run like a girl.
My hair.
It looks like to fight like a girl. Now throw like a girl.
An ordinary dinner party, the sort of occasion we all enjoy. The men are exchanging witty stories. And look at the women, aren't they pretty? Look at the way they laugh, they're delightful. But now the conversation turns to more serious matters.
I wonder if the government should return to the gold standard.
I think it should.
Good, then we're all agreed.
But oh dear, what's this? One of the women is about to embarrass us all.
I think the government should stay off the gold standard so that the pound can reach a level that will keep our exports competitive.
The lady has foolishly attempted to join the conversation with a wild and dangerous opinion of her own. What half-baked drivel. See how the men look at her with utter contempt.
Daphne, we're going home.
Women, know your limits. Now let's see the proper way.
Good. So we're all agreed. We should return to the gold standard.
Oh, I don't know anything about the gold standard, I'm afraid, but I do love little kittens. They're so soft and furry.
What a delightful thought, you dear, sweet, fragile little thing. I adore you.
Women, know your limits. In thought, be plain and simple, and let your natural sweetness shine through.
Is like a girl a good thing?
Actually, I don't know if it's a bad thing or a good thing. It sounds like a bad thing. It sounds like you're trying to humiliate someone.
Leave your things behind, 'cause it's all going off without you. Excuse me, too busy, you're writing your tragedy. These mishaps, you bubble wrap when you've no idea what you're like. So let go, jump in. Oh well, what you waiting for? It's alright, 'cause there's beauty in breakdowns. So let go, just get
appreciation for women intellectuals. It's all about the body, not about the brain.
There's beauty in So let go, jump in. Oh, well, what you're waiting for? It's alright, 'cause there's beauty in breakdance. Let go, just get in. Oh, it's so amazing here. It's alright, 'cause there's beauty in breakdown.
Remember 5th grade, I was worrying about my weight, and now I'm in 9th grade, I'm still worrying about my weight.
I have like close friends that like in between like break periods, they will go to the bathroom and put on like 10 pounds of makeup, you know, and you're at school to learn.
I think it definitely drops their self-confidence and really puts them down, because during that time they're already trying to figure themselves out, and when somebody says you hit like a girl, it's like, well, what does that mean? Because they think they're a strong person. It's kind of like telling them that they're weak and they're not as good as them.
There's something my grandmother used to do whenever I'd start dating someone. I would tell her his name, and then she would say, "Oh, what part of town does he live in?" That was her way of asking if my boyfriend was white. Oh yeah, my grandmother was an out-and-out racist. So I know what prejudice looks like. It's not about experience, James. It's about gender. Reston's saying, I don't have the balls to be president, and he means that literally. It's offensive. It's offensive to me and to all the women whose votes he's asking for.
I'm sorry, are you saying that Governor Reston is sexist?
Yes, I am. What the hell is she doing? And it's not just Governor Reston speaking in code about gender. It's everyone, yourself included.
Excuse me?
The only reason we're doing this interview in my house is because you requested it. This was your idea, and yet here you are, thanking me for inviting you into my lovely home. That's what you say to the neighbor lady who baked you chocolate chip cookies. This pitcher of iced tea isn't even mine. It's what your producers set here. Why? Same reason you called me a real-life Cinderella story. It reminds people that I'm a woman without using the word. For you, it's an angle. I get that. And I'm sure you think it's innocuous, but guess what? It's not.
Congresswoman Marcus.
Don't interrupt me when I'm speaking. I have to stop this. Don't you dare. You're promoting stereotypes, James. You're advancing this idea that women are weaker than men. You're playing right into the hands of Reston and into the hands of every other imbecile who thinks a woman isn't fit to be commander-in-chief. Yes, Governor, I'm talking about you.
7 years I served in the United States Army, which is 7 more years than Governor Reston ever served. A fact you conveniently omitted from my intro. How about soldier, lieutenant?
Show me what it looks like to run like a girl. Throw like a girl. Fight like a girl.
Things about yourself that are positive doesn't mean you're stuck up. That's just a holdover from a middle school mentality, as silly as caring about who sits with whom at lunch. The next time someone pays you a compliment, challenge yourself to give a heartfelt thank you and move on. Why can't we take a compliment? Cosmopolitan, 2014.
Mean to you when I say run like a girl?
It means run fast as you can.
And what advice do you have to young girls who are told they run like a girl, kick like a girl, hit like a girl, swing like a girl?
Keep doing it, because it's working. If somebody else says that running like a girl or kicking like a girl or shooting like a girl is something that you shouldn't be doing, that's their problem. Because if you're still scoring and you're still getting to the ball on time and you're still being first, you're doing it right. Doesn't matter what they say. I mean, yes, I kick like a girl, and I swim like a girl, and I walk like a girl, and I wake up in the morning like a girl because I am a girl. And that is not something that I should be ashamed of. So I'm gonna do it anyway. That's what they should do.
If I asked you to run like a girl now, would you do it differently?
I would run like myself.
Would you like a chance to redo it?
Why can't run like a girl also mean win the race?